Alright, this is the Xiaomi Pad 5. It's the latest Android tablet in the market, priced very aggressively. It's the talk of the town. Well, some people are comparing it with Apple's iPad. Why? Well, I'm gonna explain in this video, so do watch it till the very end. Now, a lot of credit goes to Xiaomi for pricing this tablet very aggressively. The price starts at rupees 27,000. You can of course get it less during the introductory period. But a lot of people are also calling it the iPad killer. And here are 5 things that none of them will tell you about this tablet. Yes, you read it right. Well, this is not an iPad killer. Anyone in their right mind trying to buy an iPad will not ditch it for the Xiaomi Pad 5. Well, there are 2 reasons why you buy a tablet. First is productivity, second is entertainment. And productivity part is where the Apple's iPads are way ahead of any other Android tablet, let aside the Xiaomi Pad 5. There are a lot of developers that Apple work with for making apps exclusively for the iPad and for the App Store, and those apps are very useful for creators and even for other users, and that's an experience that you're definitely gonna miss on the Xiaomi Pad 5. Apart from that, also if you have let's say an iPhone, a MacBook, and then if you buy the iPad, then the connected ecosystem experience is something that you can make use of. It's a very seamless and good experience, and that's what I'm missing on the Xiaomi Pad 5. Also, even though Apple's iPads, even the most aggressively priced ones, the most affordable iPads, Apple ensures that they have a premium touch to it, which again is missing on the Android ecosystem. Now, this is the part where the Xiaomi Pad 5 truly excels. It's a great entertainment device. Let's say if you have a phone and you want another device, another screen for watching content, then this is where this one comes in. First of all, it's a 10.9-inch display, so the perfect ideal size for an Android tablet, and it comes with 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision support, HDR10+ support, super smooth display, swiping, scrolling, it's really fun, and the video quality is also bang on. Any content which supports Dolby Vision on OTT platforms is supported on this device, and it looks fantastic. Even the colors and video quality is very close to the iPad. Also, I must talk about the speakers here, because what makes the content viewing experience really great are the quad speakers on the Xiaomi Pad 5. First of all, they are loud, clear, give you a very immersive experience. Also, there is directional audio on this one, so if you change the orientation of the tablet, the audio also changes. Now, in order to keep the price down, of course, Xiaomi had to make a few cuts, and they start with the SIM card support. So this one does not support SIM card, so it's a Wi-Fi only tablet, and that's another disadvantage over the iPads, because there you get cellular connectivity. Here that's what's missing, so you can only use the screen to maybe work on it, watch media, but not to make or take calls. In fact, even if you are traveling and if you don't, you can't use internet unless you have access to public Wi-Fi. So that's another limitation with this. Also, there is no SD card support, so you cannot actually increase the storage, and there is also no 3.5mm headphone jack. So these are 3 primary things that you expect on a tablet but are missing on the Xiaomi Pad 5. Now, this is the part that really surprised me. For anyone who has used an Android tablet would know that the software experience is a huge pain point, but Xiaomi has addressed this beautifully. First of all, it has redesigned MIUI for Pad from the very scratch, so you get a very clean, very smooth experience. All the apps, all the Xiaomi apps, third-party apps, they are very well optimized for this large screen. For example, look at this calendar app. It works both ways in both the orientations. Also, you can use this tablet with a keyboard. There is a stylus support on it as well, and Xiaomi is selling both the Smart Pen and the Smart Keyboard separately. It has yet to reveal the price, but it's good to see the accessory ecosystem being there. The tablet also comes with other key features of any tablet, which is like your split view, floating window. All those features are also supported on the Xiaomi Pad 5, and you can also use it with an external Bluetooth mouse, which again adds to the productivity part of the tablet. Now this one comes with a very good battery life. I think a lot of people are talking about the battery already. It's a very good battery pack for the video playback, music. It lasts for almost 2 days. Even if you're not using the tablet on the standby mode, this gives you a very decent battery backup. But the problem is the charging speed. The charging speed is really slow. It takes about 3 hours and sometimes even more than 3 hours to actually fully charge this tablet from 0 to 100%. So now while everybody is talking about the Xiaomi Pad 5, calling it the iPad killer, here are a few things that should help you make a better buying decision, because while this is a very capable iPad competitor, and one of the reasons is because Xiaomi has priced it so smartly, so aggressively, it's not really an iPad killer yet.